I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop Plex from selling your personal data. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to plex.tv, and then sign into your Plex account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Plex home screen. Step 2. Click the settings icon at the top of this screen. The settings icon looks like a gear. Step 3. Click Privacy in the menu on the left side of the screen. Your Plex privacy options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 4. Navigate to the Privacy section and then click the Privacy Preferences link in this section. The Plex privacy site opens and you'll automatically land on the Your Privacy Rights part of it. Step 5. Click to expand the part of this section that says you have the right to set your preferences for the sharing and selling of personal data associated with your Plex account, and then click the link to set your preferences. The Plex Opt Out Choices screen opens. Step 6. Click to remove the check mark from the box that says if that box is checked, then Plex may sell your personal data, and then click Save Preferences. Plex will no longer have the right to sell your personal data going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.